Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Rizkyani. As President Director of I'm responsible for the planning, organizing, and directing the organization's operations and progress. First, I'd like to welcome you all and thank all for making time to be here today, especially at such short notice. I know you're all very busy and it's difficult to take time away from your daily tasks for meetings. We're here today to discuss about our newest project, that is the launch of Matcha Waffles. I'm afraid Mr. Adi cannot be with us today. Please come to the mic. Alright, let's go for the minutes from our last meeting, which was held last Tuesday. Ms. Nadia, would you please bring the notes?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning. Thank you for taking the time to attend our meeting in the morning. My name is Sonia Rolika and I am the secretary of the company. I am responsible for organizing meeting, updating records, and then responding to customers. This meeting is very important for the progress of the company because after we check it, the monthly report, it relates out the terrorist as baseline of the performance. Furthermore, each direction of the problem in the respective fields. We still have too lot to discuss. So this meeting will start with how future aiding.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Tanya. So, if there is nothing else we need to discuss, let's move on to today's agenda. Ms. Tanya, would you mind taking notes today?
Sure.
Okay, we will hear a short report on each point first, followed by a discussion around the table. Have you all received a copy of the agenda? So, let's start with the first presentation from Finance Department. Would you like to give the report?
Thank you, Ms. Hana. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wanda Amanda Imajuna. I'm the head of Finance Department Bayangkari Ltd. I'm responsible for managing our financial matters relating to the company business meeting. We will discuss several things related to the finance department. The finance department is an important part of company that is responsible for managing the company funds and financial aspect. To start with, I'm going to company cash flow. After cost estimate reports for project launching, then reports on estimate profit that company will oversee. Let's begin first of all to report the cash flow of this company by looking at the existing condition the company is in a stable position in financial matters. Namely, 20%, which is quite high and will continue to increase in the next few years. Next, the estimate cost report for launching a new project can first be set at the cost of the raw materials. That will be used normally when the main raw materials cost around 25,000 books and the raw materials for support range from 20,000 books. With thus like that, the company is able to make a lot of profit from this new project. So the total project's cost we will incur are around 50 and we are able to product 3 project in one production. Next, finally, for the profit report, it is estimated that I will receive a very less nominal amount, normally around 125 million, including the gross profit issued by the company. May I thank you all for being such an attached audience. Other are my questions.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Wanda, who explained about finance. Permission to ask whether the price of raw materials is the cheapest?
Well, to Miss Anna question, After I search and trace the price of around materials in the market close to the company, this price was considered, and I also work with a grade to get the lowest bids.
Okay, thank you for your report. The next item on the agenda is the presentation from the production department. Would you like to give the report?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the time you have given me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salma. I'm the head of production department of Bayangkari Ltd. I'm responsible for smooth production and product supervision. Here I will tell you about the launch of matcha wafer. The first is matcha wafer, which is a combination of crunchy wafer and soft matcha chocolate. We will eliminate the assumption that often say that healthy food does have to be delicious. How do we eliminate this assumption? We, as part of the production team, will make product of food or of course for healthy natural ingredients, but without losing the delicious taste of the matcha wafer. And also regarding the production process going according to plan, it's just that recently some of the machines we have are often experiencing problems. This is the complaint of workers in the production section. If I might give input, it will be best to immediately service and clean the production machines we have, considering that the annual service schedule is now getting closer. Next, we also need to ensure sufficient packaging materials. So far, everything is going according to plan. May I thank you all for being such an attentive audience. Are there any questions?
Thank you, Ms. Salma, who explained about production. Permission to ask, can you be sure that the packaging will be sufficient?
Well, to Miss Anna's question, I'm working with the packaging material supplier to avoid delays. We will synchronize our effort to avoid supply chain disruption.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Salma. Let's move on to the next presentation from marketing department. Would you like to give the report?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for the time you have given me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Triani Rianti as Marketing Department of Bayangkari Ltd. I am responsible for create strategies that will increase sales and revenue for the company. Here I will tell you about the promotion of matcha wafers. Number one is development of products. Product development as a strategy for new goods that are recently developed through research and development activities as well as original and change, update and newly created items. 2. Cost of goods or service charges. The cost that customers must pay to utilize a product, it is price. A price that is too low will make it difficult to continue in business. As a result, a marketer must choose the appropriate pricing to make customers feel comfortable purchasing a product. 3. Marketing initiative. Public product introduction is the aim of this promotional activity. Publication and bonus are two examples of promotional tactics. Publication can be made using commonly utilized media such as radio, television, or the internet. 4. Choosing a site or venue. Either an online or offline marketing approach may be implemented. Naturally, there will be differences in the place chosen for the promotion. If the firm is offline, a marketer will decide where it will be located in urban areas or other places with dense population. Paying attention to the local community revenue source is another way it might manifest itself. This is another crucial point to remember because interest in goods has a direct bearing on one's ability to make purchases. Even if the product is somewhat pricey, people are more inclined to buy it if they have more money. In addition to offline, marketers need to be able to decide where to position their online media ads. Marketers will select the best platform to employ, market items using online marketplace like Shopee or Tokopedia if you wish to sell goods or products that don't require branding. Alright, take notice that we are going to be introducing a new product called Matcha Wafer. Naturally, the marketing department has developed products by doing research and development and making little adjustment. The product price has been established. Promotional efforts are the subject of the third point. The marketing department has determined a plan for selling this matcha wafer product, which includes first pushing it through television commercial and then creating billboards to be placed along city roads. Lastly, by advertising it on social media, thus we have accounts on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. The idea is the same as a television advertising, which use a video format. Thus, a matcha wafer advertising film utilizing a social media. Next, there are more posts for Twitter and Instagram, which naturally different from TikTok. Of course, we will design a visually appealing feed for Instagram. In the interim, we will utilize jokes on Twitter in addition to protect image to get users' attention. Additionally, keep in mind that we provide many coupons and discounts for promotion. The fourth aspect is that we have worked with a number of metropolitan malls, including Indro Grosir, Transmart, Alfamart, and Indomart. In addition, we work together via social media sites like Lazada, Shopee, TikTok Shop, Tokopedia, and Bukalapak. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Triana. Now, let's move on to the next presentation from our new team of Development Department. Would you like to give the report?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the time you have with me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Zara Hakim. I am the head of the development department of Bayangkari LTD. I am responsible for the development of the department. I am work with my sales team to develop mutually beneficial proposal, negotiation contract terms, and communicate effectively with stakeholders. And I will coordinate the project in the development division regarding the launch of this matcha wafer and to develop individual talent within the company. That is why companies need to develop work programs to support HR, such as managing human resources, developing and planning HR, training and development programs, and so on. In order to achieve this, here are some programs that implement to support good HR. One, updating the organization structure. With the launch of the company product, we should update the organization structure of managing the product to organize and effective employee procurement and payment strategy. And effective recruitment strategy plays an important role in finding the best talents. Then, the performance of its employing the multitude components, the distribution of the number of work in each department or division. 3. Creating a training program for employees. It is also necessary to consider creating an employer training program as well as HR training and development. 4. Building effective communication. The ability to communication is one of the main factors that must be pursued to achieve success. 5. Creating a comfortable work environment. Creating a harmonious work environment can actually be giving reward to employees who are successful and giving punishment to employee workers. 6. Ensuring employee safety and health. The work program must also focus on employee staffing management, maintaining employee health both physically and mentally, developing strategies to minimize conflicts, and improving the quality of facilities in the work environment. That's what I will add in the matcha wafer product company. May I thank you all for making such an interview audience. Are there any questions?
Permission to ask, are you sure you can manage the development in the office?
Well, to my Miss Anna question, I work close with the sales team to develop a mutually beneficial proposal, and from there we can negotiation, contracting, and communicate efficiently with the stakeholders. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Miss Aulia. Let's move on to the next presentation from Public Relations Department. Would you like to give the report?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for your time you have given me, Miss Anissa. Good morning all. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Mo Amsal Pragitya Putra, as position the Public Relations Department of Bayangkari Ltd. I am responsible for maintaining positive and mutually beneficial relationship. I wish various stakeholders such as media, employees, customer, and the wider community. The presentation I will deliver is that we are developing. Also, suggest the virtual event can engage wider audience. We can combine product, demos, and interacting session. And lastly, I will integrate the Skype point into your press release and social media campaign for maximum impact. Thank you for the presentation that I have delivered. Any question?
What if we add human resource in the production department to maximize product yields?
I agree. Yesterday, marketing trial also had a big opportunity.
Sorry, I think we should use existing human resource fit so that finance remains stable.
To anticipate financial problem is a good idea. To us, exciting human resource first. Exactly, we also still need to do a lot of upgrades.
I think workforce we currently have is sufficient and educated. So to stabilize our financial, we use what we have first. Thank you.
Thank you for your report. Okay, now we will listen the presentation from Miss Sonia. Would you like to give the report?
First of all, thank you for opportunity you have given me. Here, I will explain to doctors of the secretaries. A secretary is a charge of the administrative operation of the company. They are responsible for organizing meeting, updating records, and responding to customer. To do is, a secretary can ask, here our flying system and the administrative software as well as to other tools and the technicals. Here, I will provide a report about Matcha Waffle. For this company, cash flow report by looking at the exciting condition in the company is in a stable position in the financial times, namely a nominal 29%, which is quite and the 5 figure. One reported price of raw materials is around 25 million per box, and the sporting raw material are around 20 million per box. The total product cost that will be incurred are 15 million if one product and income of value of production on 300 products. 2. The profit report is expansion duration of very large nominal amount, namely around 25 million. Maybe this all can convey from the financial report result of the Matcha Waffle.
Okay, to sum up, we've moved forward with the lecture and expect to start work in the project in May. Also, the personnel department has decided to hire additional staff to help us with the increased demand. Before we leave, I'd like to fix the next meeting. What about Thursday? Sure! Okay, I'll see you next Thursday. May I thank you all for being such and arguments. I'm glad the meeting is closed. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.